Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Kharmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On 16 January, members of the Salesian family from Salesian works in Goma and Sasha in the AFC EST delegation were at the Don Bosco Industrial Technical Institute in Goma to take part in a day of presentation and in-depth study of the Srena 2024 by the Rector Major Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime entitled The Dream That Makes You Dream, a heart that transforms wolves into lambs. The day opened with good year wishes from Father Gauthar Shibangu, SDB AFC EST Provincial Delegate, to the entire Salesian family of the delegation. Father John Bosco Dubele, SDB Formator at the Theological Institute in Lubumbashi, then presented the theme of the Rector's Major Srena 2024 in some detail, focusing his intervention on 5 essential points. With an eager sense of anticipation at Baldoko, the preparations for the 42nd edition of the Salesian Family's Days of Spirituality are now complete. The event, which every year is already characterized by the sparkle of its dynamics and the family atmosphere among all those present, this year is even more special as it will be the last of this event with Angel Fernandez Artime as Rector Major, according to the Holy Father's dispositions due to his appointment as a Cardinal. The theme of the Srena, the dream of Don Bosco at the age of 9, which will be the basis for the reflection and study at the event, is indeed a founding element of the charism which is common to all the groups. From 28 December 2023 to 6 January 2024, Father Sami Ghauri, SDB Director of Don Bosco Quetta, and the Salesian brother Francis Nahat undertook an 800-kilometer journey from Quetta to Hyderabad to meet with Monsignor Samson Shukardin, OFM, Bishop of the Diocese of Hyderabad, and to participate in the 2024 annual retreat. During their 3-day stay in the Bishop's residence, the Salesians had the opportunity to explore various places, engage with the community, and participate in meaningful dialogues with diocesan priests as well as with the Bishop himself. The Salesians had the opportunity to learn about the challenges and difficulties present. Precisely in light of these situations, Monsignor Shukardin invited the Salesians to live among the young people of his diocese. In fact, the Bishop had already met the Rector Major in the past to discuss this invitation. From 12 to 14 January at the Salesian Seminary in Krakow, young animators from various Salesian presences of the Krakow province, PLS, gathered to participate in the first meeting of the Animator School this year's Salesians SAS. The young people reflected, among other things, on the theme Dream That Becomes Reality, 4 dimensions of the oratory, and took part in the various moments of formation and celebration. The liturgy of the Word of God, presided over by Father David Wilcox SDB, together with workshops, confessions, masses, and recreational activities. The 15th expedition of the Academic Project for Assistance to Indigenous Peoples 2023 to 2024 began in the Salesian Indigenous Missions of Sankaradhoro and Meruri. The project is an initiative of the students of the Faculty of Medical Sciences of Santos, Unilis, whose objective is to promote health and prevent diseases in the Bo Bororo and Zavante indigenous territories in Mato Grosso. The group of 34 students from the 1st to the 3rd year of medicine, accompanied by doctors and teachers, arrived on 13 January at the Salesian presences in Meruri and Sankaradhoro. There, the missionary volunteers organized the health center and the various games, sports, and painting activities with the children, as well as serving snacks to all the participants. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.